Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your own Nano Jig Heads. All the components I'm using will be linked in the description down below. Let's start with the correct way to slide the bead onto the hook. It is important to get the orientation right. Make sure you are passing hook throughout that small hole and going through that long hole. That's it. Now you are ready to apply a glue. Let's walk through this process from start to beginning. Take your jig head, pass through your hook, take small portion of the glue. At this point you don't need much. Go take your activator. Align your jig head, put some glue on the top, use activator, that's it. How simple is that? And our jig head is ready.